Welcome back. You're watching First Trades, and let's look at what's happening in the F&O market. The spot market holding flat at this point in time with the premium of 28, and that's the July futures because we are seeing a lot of rollover happening in the morning there. Open interest up in the July futures up or nearly 4%. So we were at around 50 odd percent. I think we are now heading towards 55% rollovers for July. Look at Nifty Bank again there. For the July futures, the bank index is absolutely flat, 0.15% down. But again, there's an open interest jump which is happening, because of the rollover which is there. Look at the Nifty Bank constant for the July series there, and if you see that, you're going to see that a lot of rollover which is happening for banks like HDFC, ICICI, Kotak, and other banks. In the HDFC Bank constituent. But open interest change for July 7 expiry, we're seeing good support coming at 24,000, call rating happening at 24,500 and 24,200, and that's what we were mentioning in the morning, that there is resistance for the market to go up, but on the other there's a support which is coming at 24,000. If you look at the distribution chart as well, that's what it gives you there. But from the gainers point of view, we have futures gainers 3.79% up for DRL. L&T Finance is up nearly 3%. L&T Finance is seeing a short covering. GMR Airport is seeing a long build up happening, up nearly 2.5%. On the losers, and you have stocks like Persistent down nearly 7.7%. Astral is down 6.3%. GVTND is down nearly 5% there. Open interest gainers will include you need to look at from a July point of view. So there is a huge build-up of short build-up happening in Persistent, nearly 16% jump in open interest there. DRL is seeing a 8% jump, and BL is seeing a 6% jump. Among the losers, you have stocks like Force Motors, where there's a long unwind. Oil India is seeing a short covering, and JSW is seeing a short covering there. But most active this trade is Persistent, 4,500 July call. The premium down nearly 195.7, 3.5 lakh contracts getting added in open interest there. So the huge build-up which is coming for Persistent, the stock hovering around 44.63 levels. In the put side, you have HDFC Bank, 800 July put. The premium down 0.15, and the addition of nearly 2.5 lakh contracts there. The stock hovering just below the 800 mark there. So overall, the market is flat, and we're going to see some volatility towards the end of the trade. So watch out for that, Aisha.
Oh yeah, absolutely. And since you're talking about